Morning, guys and gals. Froggy here. This is a box containing some shocks that I got from my '02 Suburban. That's my '02 Suburban out there. It's got 120,000 on original shocks. I don't tow with it, so I've just been kind of getting by with it, but I know that it needs shocks. And so I ordered these up, and let's see what I got. Well, I just took out one front and one rear to show you. I have always had good luck with Bilstein. I've used a lot of other shocks on my Corvettes, but for the truck, for something that's just good, basic, well, more than a good, I think it's a very good, maybe not the best, but it's a very good shock for a very good price. For a Suburban that's just going to do regular daily duty. That's what I would put on there, and I will do a video for you when I put them on. Okay, but today I've got to change the alignment a little bit on the front of the Corvette. I've got a race tomorrow, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. If this helps you out, subscribe to my channel. If you want notifications, click the little bell next to the subscribe. Okay? See ya. Bye.